Welcome to another RDI episode. In this video, we're gonna work on this order. If you want to learn what method we use to save money and time, well, make sure you stick around. Let's get started with this video. This is the very first time that we get to work with this type of transfer, and it is, can you please move out of the way? Because I have the box in there, is the super collar. And we got the instructions inside the box, but you can also get them if you go to their website, which is www.broworld.com. And I need to cut them just from here.
As always, Saul, never disappoint.
Yeah, I'm glad that he was paying attention to what I was doing. This is what I was supposed to do in the first place.
It's okay. I don't think it's that big of a deal.
Yeah. And just think about this. We used to layer each color individually for this design. Actually, the way we did it, we got rid of a few colors so it looked more simpler without too many details or too many layers of vinyl. That's what we used to do. And I'm glad that we decided to use this material for this order. Look at that. It's going to be really easy to apply it. For this order, we're going to make 10 hoodies, and these are the colors. They are Gildan, heavy blend, 50 cotton, 50 polyester, military green, and some kind of charcoal gray. Same brand and everything, medium size and extra large size. Remember that if you want to support us, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Remember that you can also get your hoodies, t-shirts, all your equipment, materials. We're going to have the links in the description of the video. We're going to use our 16 by 20 Hotronix heat press from stalls.com. We're just waiting for it to reach the temperature. An additional tool that I recommend that you guys get is the heat transfer tape. This is specially designed for this type of projects, and I'm going to put it on the side. We also have our pillow and the cover for the heat press. Now I'm going to press it for a few seconds, 4 or 5 seconds. Then I'm going to bring this small front logo. Yeah, we've been using this tape for a few hoodies, and I need to get new ones. We'll see. I'm gonna do about 8.25 from here, the neck, to the bottom. It's actually 8.5, which I think is good. About there. Now I'm gonna lift the hoodie and get an idea if it looks straight or not. All right, this is ready. Now I'm gonna do the full cycle, and then I'm gonna let it cool a little bit. And this is what I'm gonna do. This is the very first time that we use this material, in particular the super color, and that's why we are a little bit cautious. I'm gonna put the tapes to the side. We could reuse them. All right, now I'm gonna try to remove the backing. It's coming off really easy. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it a few more, like 5 seconds more. And I think that's good. And look at that, how easy it is. Now I'm gonna turn it and apply the logo on the back. But remember that we have to pre-press it for a few seconds. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna do about 4.5 on the back. For this logo, I'm not gonna use the heat transfer tape. I'm gonna just press it like that. I already made sure that it is centered, and I'm gonna give it the full cycle. Now I'm more confident since we let it cool off a little bit. It was really easy to remove the backing, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the back. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. And look at that. Love this material. Now I'm gonna give it about 5 seconds more, just to make sure that the material will last longer. And it's a medium size. I cannot wear it. It's too small for me. Now I'm gonna do the charcoal gray and pretty much repeat the same steps. Look at this, back and the front. And guess what? We gotta keep moving. We have a few more to go. So yeah, we'll be right back. This is our very last hoodie. It only took, I would say, not even an hour. I mean, you gotta consider that we gotta record and everything. So it was pretty fast, and I cannot get tired of telling you guys how glad I am that we are using or doing this process. Let me get the tape. And one thing I wanna mention, even though the instruction says you can remove it right away, do not do that. I'm gonna give it the full cycle, then wait a few seconds and then remove it, and we're gonna be finished with this whole order. Guys, remember that if you wanna support our channel, we have all kinds of different memberships available in our channel. All you have to do is just go to the join button and you will see all the options available. Thank you for your support. No peel, everything's coming off the way it's supposed to. And then I'm gonna give it a few seconds. Even though we didn't use any of our vinyl cutters to get this project done, and you could practically start a t-shirt business with just a heat press, we still recommend that you invest money in a vinyl cutter. Not only will you be able to make custom shirts, but you could also make car decals, magnets, banners, yard signs, and a lot more. We have videos where we give you more details about each of our vinyl cutters and what other products you could make with one of those machines. Make sure to check out our channel to learn more. All right, guys, we are done with this order. Only 10 hoodies. We saved a lot of time by using this material. Remember that we're gonna have the links available in the description of the video. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you guys until the next one. Have a great day.